This is Ìròyìn, a Django blogging web application. This is my CS50's Introduction to Computer Science final project. First, let's take a look at the documentation. The project is well documented with screenshots, video demo, and important links. Read the documentation carefully and follow the instructions to get the app running. Now, let's run the app by starting the development server. Open your web browser and type the link into the search bar. And wait for it to load the home page. The home page is divided into 3 sections: Featured Posts, Latest Posts, and Category Posts. Next, let's take a look at a blog post. Each blog post has a thumbnail, date published, read time, comments, and replies, and readers can also share the post to Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn. The About page is just a regular About page. Likewise, the Contact page. Let's take a look at the user registration and login page. Now, I would log in with a pre-registered email and password. Now that I'm logged in, I would reply and comment on a blog post just to show the difference. This is how a reply would be displayed. A comment is the parent of all replies under that comment, and comments increase the comment count. Next, let's submit a sample contact form and see how Email.js handles the request for us. This web app is fully mobile responsive. You can visit the blog page, use the search bar, or click on the categories or tags on a post to see posts filtered by those criterias. Now, let's take a look at the Jasmine-powered admin dashboard where everything happens in the backend. We can see all the tables in our database. Let's take a look at blogs and how we can add a new post with a powerful text editor. Blog content is powered by CK Editor. Finally, let's take a look at other tables. This was CS50.